7:49. Over an hour after the game was supposed to start because of a rain delay. We're here, we're back. We're gonna take on the Dodgers today. Me, Woody, Richards, and Julie. Look, hey Joel. Hey Richards. I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna go take on the Dodgers. Fuck the Dodgers like fuck the Mets. Let's go see if they can beat them because we smacked their ass last night. And Trey Turner will have 7 errors tonight. And we're gonna win. 3 home runs. 7 errors, 3 home runs, and 5 doubles. That's what he's getting tonight. Woody taking his Woody, take another picture. Always takes a picture for Instagram. I'll put his Instagram here if you want to see it, because he always documents when he walks into the stadium. I just document everything I fucking do. And we're getting into trouble. Ah, shit. Hi, Sean. Good to see you, Sean.
He's the best bartender here.
The second best bartender. The Fanatic is wearing a raincoat today. That's fucking legendary. Let's go. Wheeler versus Ohtani. Baller strike first pitch. Please, Ohtani, don't do anything special tonight. Here we go.
Got everything. Pitching, and play good defense, power. First pitch is brought to you by Carey.
Ah, whiff! Captain Error is up. What a day he had yesterday. And sit it. Harper gonna get a double. All right. Harper better score. Harper better score. There we go. 1-0. Good guys. Let's go, Bomer. I was talking shit about Alec Bomer earlier today. He's not in fault of his own, but he was talking shit. And he came through. He won't be here next year. That's what I'm saying. Time to walk out. Look at the vet. Good old vet. That's where we watched the Home Run Derby in '96. So let's get out of here and go up to Hall of Fame, because that's where we're sitting today. We got Hall of Fame club seats. $33 because of the rainstorm. Thank God. Here's the Fanatic again. Free opportunity if you want it. We're up here. Hall of Fame club. So much better than being down with the peasants in the seats. Well, let's get to our seats in Hall of Fame. Maybe we'll stop at the bar because we have hookups there too. It's great being a fan. Great knowing people. They always take care of you. Come to the ballpark. It's awesome. Oh, pup. Look at that. Sitting up here in Hall of Fame. It's starting to rain outside. People are putting their ponchos on. Woody, what's the Doppler 7000 say? We're fucked.
It's moving back in.
We're fucked. Holy shit, Trey made a play. And it's raining still. Let's see the replay. Oh my God. Bang. Look at that. You couldn't do that yesterday.
Almost fucked it up. You see how I grabbed that one?
Oh, look at that. On.
Yeah,
Here, he double clutch. Yeah. Great play. If he's out. He's out.
he's out.
Run doesn't score.
You know why? Because he fucking went to the further leg. Fucking idiot.
Run doesn't score. He's out. Yo.
Look at it. You don't wait. You go to him. You can tag him. You can't tell from that angle.
He's out. Right there, he touched him.
You can't tell that. Right there, I think.
He touched him. He's out.
No, see, he didn't fucking tag him right.
He's out.
No, he's safe.
Might be one of the most boring vlogs I make, but it's pouring out there. Still here. Trying to get a hot dog. Hall of Fame Club hot dog.
And so I think she was in there with the sponge. But anyway,
I did get a glizzy, Woody. I did get a glizzy. As it rained outside.
she had water ice in
For the sake of a boring video, I'm going to go to the seats for a little bit. We're here in 212, Hall of Fame. It's pouring rain outside. Let's go. 212. All right. It's coming down. Ohtani's up. Struck out Ohtani. He won down to get that one. For the sake of a boring video, I'm out here in the rain. In our seats, Hall of Fame Club. Not where I'm out covered by an overhang. But we're at least going to do a batter here. Look at the rain coming down. Oh. All to get this game in. Sit down, Baez. Struck out. Get him. Sit down, Max Muncy. Struck him out. Struck him out. Let's get some runs, Phil. Let's go. Get some runs here. You're the one. We're in this shit. Come on, come through, Bummer. Come through. Please come through. That should be a double. There we go. The mighty Giraffe gets a double. Bang, double. 3-2 count to Sosa. Can he deliver? Oh! Yeah, fly out. Damn. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Way to waste it. Way to waste it, dude. Can't waste that opportunity with Bowman a double. Sosa give it a ride, but JT, you gotta at least look at a pitch. Pop. We're getting Wheels again for another inning. Let's fucking shut these Dodgers down, Wheels. Come on. Shut them down. Wheeler's dealing down 2-1 because he threw one bad pitch. Let's get some runs for the guy. Come on. Offense is better than this. Put some runs up. Up, 7-inning stretch. Take me out to the ball game. Take me out with the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and Cracker Jack. I don't care if I never get back for it. Root for our Phillies. If they don't win, it's a shame. It's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the old ball game. Come on, Phillies. Let's get it together. Come on, Brandon. Get it started off. Come on, man. Looks like the Dodgers are going to make a pitching change. DJ9 in the booth. Right there. DJ9. Play some music. Crank it up. 10-11. We got a 10-2.
See, yeah, the numbers all go to 11. Look, right across the board. 11, 11,
and most of
11, and
the amps go up to 10.
Exactly.
Does that mean it's louder? Is it any louder?
Well, it's one louder, isn't it? It's not 10. You see, most blokes are going to be playing at 10. You're on 10 here, all the way up, all the way up.
We got a
all the way up.
10-11. 10-11, Don. 10-11. All right, the bus race. We're going red. Always go red. Red wins. Red wins, baby. The only way to go is red. Living in a big new world, my head up and out of space. Okay. God damn it. At least we got the top of the line. I'm coming in next. Fanatic going wild in the crowd in the rain. Just getting after like a mosh pit. Trying to find him. 117. I'm not sure where he's at. I think he's like down here somewhere. Out of view. All right, leaving Hall of Fame Club. We're gonna go down to Stinson's Bar again and get into some trouble with some Sea Isle people. Let's get in trouble.
Working outside. Let's invite him real quick. Go down the jump stairs.
We gotta go jump. Oh yeah, we gotta do your jump thing.
He's there.
Let's break the escalator on a day it's raining. You ready to break the escalator again?
Yeah. It's raining. Got him.
All right, Woody. Is your girl here? Is your girl here? Oh.
Get home safe, okay? And thanks for coming.
Don't you jump, you asshole.
See you Sunday.
I'll see you Sunday.
Sad to see an empty MILF village. No MILFs around.
No
But-
blood either.
Or kids. Woody's everything, no kids.
We're crying.
Mom, watch, Mommy, watch me. Watch me, Mommy. Mama, look, Mama, look. And here for the scene of the crime.
No, it's a TV show, The Greatest American Hero. Yes.
All right, Boomer on first. All right. What are we going to do now? You got to run for Boom. All right, base hit. First, third. Send him. Send him. Come on, come on, come on. Oh. First and third. One out. Oh, JT. All right, we got Marsh up. First and third, one out. This ball needs to go 100% in the air. In the air, score the run, tie the game, send us to extras. Come on. All right, JT moved to second. A base hit will score 2. Send it deep, we tie the game. Come on, Marsh. Come on. What are you doing? Are you serious?
What's they reviewing?
Oh my God. You can't end a game like that. They're going to review it, but fuck. It's a final. He was out. Stupid base running. Should never fucking went home. God damn it. Zach Wheeler threw a fucking great game.
J-Wob's
Terrible. Base running errors. Can't do that. What a game. Phillies lose to the Dodgers 2-1 off a base fucking running blunder. Unfucking believable. JT, to stay on fucking third, you're fine, any game zone. But somehow you forgot baseball knowledge and you went back to second. Stupid. Either way, fuck the Dodgers. Hope you had a day with me. Always every day with a slice. Woody, we'll see them Sunday.
Yes, Sunday.
And we are playing the Yankees. Yes, Yankees game. And you get to see SJK and Lauren, your favorite, Laura. And her name's Laura, fans. Subscribe.